Hi dear students, welcome to a new session. Today we are having the solutions of the exercise chapter 3 fiber to fabric. First one, classify the following as natural or synthetic. Out of this, natural fibers are wool, cotton, silk, jute, and synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. State whether the following statements are true or false. Yarn is made from fibers. True. Spinning is a process of making fibers. False. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. It is false. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. True. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. True. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. False. Polyester is a natural fiber. False. Moving on to next section. Fill in the blanks. Plant fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. Animal fibers are silk and wool. Jute is a fiber obtained from the stem of a jute plant. Yarns are made up of thin strands called fibers. Two more important questions are added. Fruits of a cotton plant is called dash. This cotton balls. Dark soil is used to grow cotton plants. Black soil is used to grow cotton plants. Moving on to next section. Name the following. Name two processes used to prepare fabrics from yarns. Weaving and knitting. Name some modern fabrics formed by unstitched piece of fabric. Sari, dhoti, lungi and turban. All these are unstitched piece of fabric materials. Name two hand-operated devices used for spinning. Takli and charkha. Name the states where jute plants are mainly grown in India. West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Name two synthetic fibers. Polyester, nylon. Names of fabrics in your surroundings. Bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels, dusters, our cloth materials. Name two natural fibers. Cotton, jute, hemp, etc. Moving on to next section. Answer the following. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton is obtained from the fruit part. That means it is obtained from the fruit. What is the fruit of cotton? Cotton balls. And jute is from the stem of the plant. Name two items that are made from coconut fiber. This is gunny bags, rope, mat, etc. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. Yarn can be made from the fiber by the process called spinning. From the mass of cotton, fibers are drawn and twisted which brings together the fibers to form a yarn. First is we are taking the cotton ball in our hand, then we should, using our forefinger and thumb, we are twisting it and elongating it. We can form the yarns from the cotton fibers. What were the materials used by people in ancient times in place of clothes? It appears that in those days people used the bark and the big leaves of trees or animal skin and fur in the place of clothes. What happened when people began to settle in agricultural communities? When people began to settle in agricultural communities, then they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Vines, animal fleece, or hair were twisted together into long strands. These strands were woven into fabrics. Next section, define the following. Spinning. The process of making yarns from the fiber is called spinning. Knitting. The process in which a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric is called knitting. Weaving. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to form a fabric is called weaving. Ginning. The process of separating fibers from the seeds of cotton is called ginning of cotton. Synthetic fibers. The fibers which are made from the chemical substances or which are not obtained from the plant and animal sources are called synthetic fibers. Examples are polyester, nylon, etc. Next is looms or hand looms. The devices on which weaving of fabrics take place are called looms. It is a device used for weaving of fabrics. The looms are either hand operated or power operated. Thank you. Some of the questions are not there in your textbook. Please note it down in your notebook and learn it thoroughly. Next day there will be model exam of this chapter. Thank you.